Hello everybody, today we are doing something super fun. Today, for the first time, we are testing hair extensions at the pool. So I'm gonna bring you all with me today to find out if you can wear hair extensions lounging at the pool, swimming in the pool, swimming underwater in the pool. We'll test it all. Because my worst fear is deciding to wear hair extensions with a group of people and then the extensions just falling out. So let's put the extensions in and then let's head over to my friend Kaylin's house and let's see how much we can do in the pool wearing extensions before they look like garbage. Let's do it. We're at Kaylin's right now. Kaylin, I love you so much.
Hey guys.
Will you jump in with me?
Sure.
Really?
No.
Oh. I have put my extensions in. I'm not very good at it. There's a few things that I envision going on right now. The first thing is that the extensions can get heavy. You know, they can get a little tangled and they can easily just come out of my hair. The second thing that I envision happening today that will happen is I had to straighten my hair to put the extensions in. So that means when my hair starts getting wet, it will be curly and will not match the extensions.
Just a little unblended.
It's okay. I'm not here to impress anyone. So let's start slow, okay? Let's just walk in and see what happens. I think it's colder than yesterday. I don't know why it's so hard to get in pools.
It's always the stomach that's the worst.
Yeah.
How does it feel?
Wet.
Ooh.
Does it look more natural when it's wet?
Turn around. No. You can definitely see the difference of your hair and the extensions.
That's embarrassing.
Ooh.
Don't mind me, I'll just stay in here like this.
You look like a mermaid.
I should have brought my mermaid tail.
Are they coming out at all?
Kind of hurts a little bit.
Oh yeah, it looks like it's coming down right there.
Oh, it is?
In the back right there.
And now, the underwater test. Ow! What? It's really heavy!
Is it pulling your hair?
Ow! Yeah! It's like the very back that hurts the most. Oh, this one's not doing too hard.
Oh no.
Who has done this before? Do people do this?
I don't know. I remember being at a dance in high school wearing those and I sweated them all out and I didn't know that happened. It was the most embarrassing thing to ever happen to me.
Oh, did I get you?
Yeah, it went into my throat.
It's a little painful, but it's doable. As long as it doesn't fall out. I think anyone can wear extensions at the pool. Oh no. Can you tell?
The difference? Yeah, from like the thick to the super thin. Oh my god.
Wait, so maybe you can't wear them at the pool?
Remember, blended a little better.
Maybe if I actually had layers in my hair.
Yeah. Yeah.
Get layers, then put in extensions.
Yes, then go to the pool.
I mean, I feel better than I thought I would. I also can't see myself, which is key to a happy life.
Yeah.
It like pinches in all the wrong places. Should I jump in? What kind of jump?
Back dive.
I can't back dive!
The cannonball.
Cannonball.
Ooh, that's gonna hurt your hair.
Front flip, you said?
Yep. Ready, set, go.
Oh, it feels a lot better when you're underwater than it does when you get out. Ow! Oh, no!
Is it coming out? Oh,
It's
ow,
pulling all my
ow.
babies. Pulling all the baby hairs. What if it pulls my hair out?
I know, that's what I was thinking.
Could be worse.
Bald Hannah 3.0.
This is my final undoing. I call this shine bright, shine far, don't be shy, you're a star.
Woo!
I feel beautiful.
You look beautiful.
I haven't had hair like this probably in 4 years. Like hair that you can see behind you.
Oh yeah.
Was that good?
Yep.
Wait, maybe I'll do it without making a weird face.
Okay. Wow. Who is she?
We don't know her. You know the snap of one coming undone? I heard it. How deep is it here?
12 feet? Or not there.
That's so far down.
Careful, wait, careful. There's thorns on those things. Don't step on them.
I mean, act like a ninja?
Yep. Oh, it's scary. Jump through the hole.
I'm scared.
You got it.
It's stuck.
You'll be fine. 3, 2, 1. Oh, wow.
I did it!
That was good.
Was it?
Yeah.
Wait, what? Oh my god! Oh my god! That's so embarrassing! What do I do with it? Everyone's gonna know! Okay, I think I fixed it.
There you go.
Does it look
back
better
to
now?
normal? Yep.
I feel cute.
Blended. No one would know. Ooh.
Yeah. All it took was one tube jump. And we lost one. Oh, it definitely came from this side.
Did it?
Yeah, it did.
Does it look good?
A mess. What?
Huh? Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna swim to you underwater.
Come.
Count when I'm underwater.
Okay.
See how long it takes.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That was
How long
20
is that?
seconds.
What?
20.
Wait, what?
It was like 8 seconds.
I should be in races. Should I show the long way?
Yeah. Can you hold your breath that long?
Can I?
Oh. Get set. Go.
2 hours later.
Yeah. Oh, that was so hard. I forgot to breathe before I started. Do you have an inhaler?
Mm-hmm. But it's for me.
I can't believe we only lost one this whole time.
Oh, that was beautiful. Mm-hmm.
It's won like 5 times.
Yeah.
Definitely hurts a lot more now than it did when I started. Yeah, like a lot. How's your leg? I think the top ones are doing really good.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe not.
Wait.
Oh my God.
It's at the bottom of the pool. Go, Hannah, go. It's drowning.
Oh no! I got her! I got her! Oh no! You did good. You put up a good fight and you almost won. Sad.
R.I.P.
The rest are.
No. Oh my god.
Well, the extension test, I don't want to say it's a fail.
Only 2 came out.
Only 2 came out. That's definitely enough, you know, to make you not confident wearing extensions in the pool on an average day. In the end, can you wear medium length clip-in extensions in a pool? You can. Will it look good? No. But how you feel is all that matters. If y'all like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you so much, Caitlin.
Oh, you're welcome.
My beautiful, beautiful friend who is so brilliant and so
welcome.
creative. Thank you for filming.
No, not me. Just
Yes, you. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!